It's just wonky and it's standard pins. I've been trying to get it on camera and it's been fighting me, but to get into it, I'm going to use the Lolox 39,000 Smoky Standard Slim. Real quick out of 1, click out of 2, click out of 3, nothing on 4, click out of 5, nothing on 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. See, I just hit number 4 and it kind of went into that false set. So because of the angle I'm at, try to hit that weird little interactive pin. It's not exactly the easiest thing, so I just grabbed my tubular lockpick and just hit that interactive that was right there before pin 1. But that is the Kaba Peaks.